In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up pCloud, which is a great option if you are looking to secure and an easy way to store, sync, and back up your files in the cloud. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to the pCloud Drive for Windows official website, and from here, you just have to choose the OS that you are using. It could be Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, Android, add-on, it's up to you. But if you have already an account here in pCloud, all I have to do is super simple. Click the login button, all right? And then follow the on-screen instructions. There's also a small instruction here on how to install pCloud Drive that you might want to look into. But for now, what I'm going to do is log into my account, which is this pCloud Drive already. All right. Now, all I have to do is go to the left side panel of your dashboard. All right. You can choose to back up the desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures if you wanted. All right. And of course, you can add a folder if you want. Keep in mind, if you delete a file from your backup, you will delete it from your computer and pCloud. So I need you to add a folder from here. Let's say I'm going to add this. I'm going to select that folder as my backup folder. As you can see, this is going to be already a part of the backup. Now, for the sync option, if you want to sync a specific folder, you can choose from the following. Of course, you can choose from a local folder if you want, right here. I'm going to add a new one, which is this one. That's going to be the sync folder. And if you want to sync a cloud drive, you can do that as well. All right. I'm going to choose this instead and click the select button. And now you can start syncing. All right. And as you can see, the parent folder or subfolder has been already synchronized. Having said all of that, you can also go to the bottom right corner and click the settings. And as you can see, you can control more options here for the backup and sync inclusions. Now, you can also go for the restore defaults if you wanted and restore all of the files if you want. After that, you can also go to the disk usage right here, allocate a specific storage, put in a specific limit for your cache, and then for more advanced control, you can also debug your mode to have a more optimized application for your pCloud. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to set up pCloud. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.